Hello, you're watching Forex Trader Calendar on the InstaForex's TV channel with me, Kate Nedachina. Early next week, all eyes will be turned to following macroeconomic events. On Tuesday, China will publish the GDP data for the fourth quarter 2015. Analysts suppose that in the given period, the indicator dropped by 0.1% to 6.8% on a yearly basis. In June-September, the Chinese economic growth slowed by 0.1% to 6.9% compared to the previous 3 months. In 2014, the economic growth cooled to its lowest pace in 25 years. Moreover, China's authorities failed to reach the targeted level of 7.5% for the first time since 1998. In 2015, Beijing's growth target was around 7%. The economic slowdown in the world's second-largest economy caused concerns in most countries. However, the Chinese authorities are more optimistic, saying that the economy has entered a new normal that suggests a quantitative and not very fast growth. Moreover, on Tuesday, the South Economic Institute will reveal the economic sentiment data. Analysts expect that in January, Germany's economic sentiment declined to 10 points. In December, the economic sentiment index climbed for the second month in a row. The current reading of the indicator is 16.1 points. At the same time, the ZEF Institute reported that the Germans are becoming more confident that their country's economy is healthy enough to cope with the difficulties of the year. However, there are some inevitable problems. The refugee inflow is one of the most vital issues. Besides, geopolitical tension and a slowdown in emerging markets are also posing some risks. On Wednesday, the U.S. Labor Department will disclose December report on core CPI. Economists expect the same rise of 0.2% as in the previous months. The current pace of growth has been unchanged since September 2015. However, the core consumer price index used by the Federal Reserve to estimate the inflationary risks has been below the target of 2% since April 2012. Inflationary pressure is weakening amid lower oil and petrol prices that, in its turn, is boosted the purchasing power of the U.S. citizens. The annual increase of the main inflationary indicator totaled 2% on the back of rising housing costs. In November 2015, the U.S. Consumer Price Index showed a zero climb compared to the previous months. On a yearly basis, the indicator advanced by 0.5%. Besides, the following economic data will see the light of day early next week. On Tuesday, China will report on industrial production and the UK is going to reveal the CPI data. On Wednesday, New Zealand and the US will publish the inflation data. Moreover, the US will also report on the number of building permits. Besides, the Bank of Canada will disclose its decision on the key interest rate. It was Forex Trader Calendar on the InstaForex's TV channel. Stay tuned with us.